Hello friends, welcome to Code Mummy. Today I will teach you a topic known as heap. A heap is a specialized tree-based data structure. Which follows two properties. The first property is that it should be a complete tree. And the second is that it should be a min heap or a max heap. Okay, so what is a complete tree? A complete tree, all the nodes should be completely filled. In all the levels, all the nodes should be completely filled, and in the last level, the node should be leftmost as possible. This is a complete tree, even this is a complete tree. Let's take few more examples. This is a complete tree because in all the levels nodes are completely filled and in the last level nodes are leftmost as possible. This is also a complete tree. This is not a complete tree because this node is missing in the last level. Here also this is missing and even this is missing. So this is not a complete tree. So now let's understand what is a min heap and a max heap. What is a max heap? Basically, in max heap, the parent element is always greater than its child elements, or the root element has the maximum value. Let's take some example. In this is the parent element, and these both are the child elements or nodes. In this is the maximum element and these both are smaller than this. Here also the parent element is greater than its child element. And the root element has the maximum value. This is max heap. What is a min heap? In a min heap, the root element has the lowest value. Its child elements have greater value than its parent element. This is a min heap because the root element has the minimum value from all other nodes and all the parent nodes have lower value than its child nodes. Now what is a binary heap? A binary heap is a heap in which all the nodes have at most two children. That's all. Now how are these heaps represented? Heaps are always represented using arrays, in which the root element is always stored in array of 0. It is stored in always the 0th position. Let's take an example. This is A, this is B, C, D, E, F and G. This is stored always level wise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Zero based indexing. Root element, which is A, is stored in the 0th position. And for any node in ith position, which is nothing but array of I, the parent element of this array of I is stored in array of I minus 1 divided by 2, and the floor value left child is stored in 2 star I plus 1, array of 2 into I plus 1, and the right child is stored in array of 2 star I plus 2, nothing but 2 into I plus 2. Let's understand this. This is A. Okay. Now let's take an example. C. Let's consider this as ith position. So array of I is now C. Now I is nothing but 2. So what is C's parent? That is nothing but I minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 divided by 2 is 1 divided by 2. Floor value is 0. 0, A is its parent. So A is its parent. What is the left child of C? Left child of C is nothing but 2 into I plus 1. What is 2? What is I? I is nothing but C. 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1 is nothing but 5. So the left child is F, which is stored in the 5th position. What is the right child of C? Right child is nothing but 2 into I plus 2. 2 into 2 plus 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. What is in the 6th position? G. So the right child of C is G.